I'm really excited to start seeing patients here in our Zionsville office location with Central Indiana Orthopedics, an Ortho Alliance partner practice. And we'll start by taking a quick tour of the office. Here we have the waiting area. We'll try not to keep people waiting long at all, but this is where you'd sit for a moment. Then we'd come down this hallway where we have X-ray as the first stop. Right in here we can get imaging of your hip or knee and figure out why it's hurting, and then together we'll make a plan to try to make it feel better. Sometimes that includes injections or surgery or non-operative treatments. We can consider all the options together. We have exam rooms down this way where we can figure out what's going on, where it's hurting, what the range of motion's like, look at imaging together, and have a discussion about how we can get you feeling better. I'd be honored to see you anytime. Thanks. See you soon.